If you want to be excellent, see what I did there, with Excel and increase your productivity, then watch this video because it all relates to the quick access toolbar, which I think is one of the most underused features, not only in Microsoft Excel, but in Microsoft Office programs in general. Now, some of you may be wondering to yourselves, what the hell is the quick access toolbar? And it's basically this thing that sits just above the data ribbon here. I know some of you are busy and probably can't be asked to watch the rest of this video, so at the very least, watch these next 2 tips and then you can bugger off. Firstly, move the quick access toolbar to below the ribbon, which you can do by clicking this little icon here and selecting show below the ribbon. Magic. Next, click on this little thing again and select email. Honestly, people, this is a game changer and I see so many people not using it. They prefer to waste their time clicking file, share, send as attachment, blah, blah, blah. Why not just press a single button? It automatically creates the email with the file attached to it. You can send it and move on with your life. Stop wasting time, people. Life is too short, just like me. So those are the 2 things I recommend you do at a minimum. But the rest of this video is dedicated to those of you who perhaps want to customize and personalize it, increase your productivity and enhance your Excel workflow. Aside from this email icon here, I've not added or changed anything. These icons are all as standard, default and out of the box. However, if I really want to personalize it and get under the hood, I can click here and select more commands, which opens this dialog box. Now, I think this is pretty self-explanatory. You've got on your right-hand side here, everything that's currently added to your quick access toolbar. And then on the left-hand side, you've got some popular commands which you can add at will. I can sit there and just go crazy. However, I'm not going to do that at this moment in time. Also, from this drop-down, you've got commands that aren't apparent in the ribbon and you'll open up a whole world of things that you never knew existed. Same applies for the all commands. As you can imagine, there's a whole bunch of buttons in there that can be extremely useful. Personally, I advise against adding commands from this dialog box because there is so much on offer. You can get a little bit crazy and over the top, and before you know it, you've got loads of icons flying across the screen and you can't even remember what half of them do anyway, which defeats the purpose. So what I suggest you do is just close this box down and work normally within Excel. What I then want you to do is to start making a conscious effort to identify things that you are constantly pressing, or if you're like me, you forget where they are in the ribbon because you've got a memory like a goldfish. So what I mean by this is there's usually a bunch of things that you're turning on or off or clicking constantly throughout your working day. For me, I hate grid lines with a passion. So what I always do is right click, add to quick access toolbar, grid lines, then I can turn them on or off at will. While I'm here, freeze panes, I'm always using that. Go around here, conditional formatting, that's a great one to have. Data, I'm always working with Power Query and SQL, so I like having that feature within there. And while I'm here, clearing filters. This is a really cool tip for you. I see loads of people doing this. They've got a table or something with a filter applied to it, and they'll select things, they'll click that there, just playing here, click pen, click that there. And then they forget at some stage, oh God, I want to see the whole range of data. And they go through and they start clearing individual boxes and everything else. Or what I have seen before is people remove the filter so that it clears it. No, you silly sausage, stop doing that. Just press clear. Game changer, people. Listen to me, I'm not bad at Excel. So trust me when I give you some tips.
Trust me.
So that is my suggestion. Just work as normal, and then when you recognize things that you are constantly clicking, add them to the quick access toolbar. Another one here, remove duplicates. I always forget where that is. Once you've got a bunch of icons set up and you're sort of happy with your choice, you can then get a little bit personal with it and clean it up and just make it tidy, move things around a bit, go back to more commands, and then you can just move things up or down. You can add in separators because you might have like a common theme. You might have like a bunch of buttons that relate to like saves and emails. Then you might have a bunch of stuff that relates to, I don't know, data. And And it just puts it in a nice organized fashion, so to speak. And this is my quick access toolbar setup for work. As you can see, there's not a huge amount going on. It's not overkill, but it's organized, it follows a flow, and it's the essential things that I'm always using throughout my working day. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe if you want to see some more, and feel free to check out the rest of my channel because I don't just make Excel videos, I do loads of random stuff as well. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, look after yourselves, and hopefully I'll see you very soon. Bye for now, people.